Hi, this is Elisa with Festivity. I am teaching you how to blend modern and vintage pieces in your decorating. And so I wanted to review the Thanksgiving tree. So this is a vintage piece. This is a really cute ornament that I got off of eBay where she turned it into vintage. A lot of things are from dollar store and not everything is an ornament. So like this guy is a sign. So is this. This is just like a fabric pumpkin that I thought added some really awesome texture to the tree. So not everything that you have has to be an ornament. Like these pumpkins, I just stuck the tree branch up it. Things are from Goodwill, things are from Dollar Tree, Walmart, At Home. I do shop quite a few places, so I think that's one of the things that makes it so unique and gives it a little bit more texture than some other things. Subscribe and comment if you want to learn more. Thanks.